Hi, welcome once again to Air Engine Research. Today's a pretty good day. I finally got all 8 of my drive shaft rotor modules made. They don't look maybe like much, but there's 8 different operations that has to be done. There's 8 holes. 3 of them have to be milled out, which takes quite a while, and then drilled and tapped for each set screw and for each quarter 20 that's going to be in it. So far I've got my one head made. This is the valve head, which is going to be the rotor head that'll be swinging back and forth to actually make the engine run. We've got the 4 valve the 4 cylinders finished. I made the design so that they just screw into the head, and as it rotates, then the cylinder goes back and forth to make the ring, which are these. I don't have those finished yet. I've got to mill out the inside and mill off the outside, drill a hole in it, and there'll be, each one of these will be welded to it, and that will go like inside of the piston. And that's about where I'm at now. I'm still waiting on my 5-inch chuck for my metal lathe. I'm hoping to get that adapter plate made pretty soon so I can start doing the work on these rings. I've already made the part that goes inside on the other one. Will have a bearing that goes inside between the 2 of them, like so. So now that's how it's going to be. 2 bearings in between with a spacer, 2 7/8 bearings back here that'll ride inside of the ring, and as this rotates around, it'll turn the drive shaft. But I'm happy to have those 8 done, so I can start working on something else here that will get some more progress. So I guess that's going to be it for today. It's already 1 o'clock, and I think I'm going to see about starting another one of my valve head bodies. So until next time, thanks for checking in, and if you're interested in what I'm doing, if you'd like to subscribe, you'll be notified each time there's a new video comes out. Hopefully I'll have another one in another couple of days to show you some progress on my heads and on my rings. So, till next time.